Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's go to the about phone, because first of all we have to enable the developer options, in which we've got this particular option. So here let's find the MIUI version, and now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So keep tapping, and as you can see we've got the information, so we can go back, and here we have to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down, and at the very bottom we've got developer options, and after entering we have to find the automatic system updates option, which is, as you can see in my case, turned on. But if you've got it turned off, just like if it looks like that, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, so it means that your device will be allowed to apply updates automatically when it will be restarted. Of course you can turn it off the same way whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.